Hardiness.
Hardiness.
Always a good
Well, that's what we are, right? We're pretty hardy, yeah.
Pretty hardy.
But when you think about plants and you use the term hardiness, what you're referring to typically is cold hardiness. You know, the hardiness of that plant to cold temperatures. And our plant zones, our USDA plant zones, are based on that cold hardiness. You know, for we're in what? What are we here in Memphis? We're zone 7.
Yeah, 7.
Aren't we 7? So that's what.
Some would say 7B.
Yeah, yeah. So that means we could only grow plants that were hard, supposedly, that were only hardy from 0 to 10 degrees. That's as low as they could take. That single digits in there is all they would stand. And you know, we're always pushing the limit on that. You know, so that's what it is. It's the hardness of the plant to withstand cold temperatures. And as you know, we can grow things down here, they can't grow up north. Well, you know, obviously because we have warmer winters. And then if you think about another hardiness, you know, there's another zone map that is a heat zone map. And I know you're familiar with that, Chris, but it's based on, basically it's the United States rated on how many days above 86 degrees does that region have. And I think Jackson, Mississippi has like 4 months.
Memphis is not too far behind.
No, and you go up to Seattle and they have maybe 2 weeks, you know. So, and it's mainly, that kind of hardiness mainly has an impact on our herbaceous plants.
Right.
You know, that like hostas and things like that really just do wonderfully well in Seattle, Washington, and get nearly as big as half this table. And down here, the heat they struggle. You know, they really just don't. So that's a heat hardiness.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.